Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial topics into easy-to-digest advice. Today, we're tackling how to invest through Raymond James, a top-tier financial services firm that's helped millions build their wealth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First off, what's Raymond James all about? It's a full-service brokerage firm offering a wide array of investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and even alternative investments. They're known for their personalized advice and robust online tools, making them a great choice for both beginners and seasoned pros. Let's dive into the steps to get started. Step 1. Open an account. Head to the Raymond James website or visit a local branch. You'll need to provide some basic info like your ID, financial details, and investment goals. It's straightforward and often takes just a few minutes online. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you're set up, link your bank account or transfer funds directly. Raymond James makes this easy with options for one-time deposits or automatic transfers. Next, choose your investments. Use their intuitive platform to research and select assets. They offer educational resources, market analysis, and even advisor recommendations to guide you. Remember, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different assets to manage risk. Of course, investing isn't without challenges. Market fluctuations can affect your returns, and there might be fees involved, like transaction costs or advisory services. Always do your due diligence and consider consulting a financial advisor. In summary, investing through Raymond James can be a smart move for personalized service and a user-friendly experience. Start small, stay informed, and watch your portfolio grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and share, and let us know in the comments. What's your next investment goal? See you in the next video.